Hey everyone, what's going on? Ben, your agent, with another episode of Market Updates. This week, April 26, 2024, we will be going over Riverside County. So, if you're new to my channel, please hit the subscribe. I literally do this every single week to update my buyers and sellers and anyone that's just interested in listening. So, please subscribe so you can follow me along with also there's a playlist of all the market updates of LA, Orange County, and Riverside County. So let's get right into it. As you guys already know, um, let's go ahead and share you the market update for Riverside County. So here we go, guys. Really exciting stuff going on. With rates being pretty high still, we see some couple things. So I always like to start with what is the median sales price going on right now in Riverside County. Again, this is for residential, all property subtypes, attached, detached. So we see it with 7.9% increase. This is over 5 years. I'm going to move it down to 1 year and show you guys within 1 year, with last month, it went 7.9%. We're at $598,000, $98,000 medium sales price for a home right now. And I continue to always let you guys know how the price will go. And we are seeing a decrease in the beginning of the year, but it went definitely up. So we're almost back to normal, guys. I mean, that's the MLS, right? In the blue. Here in the red is the Riverside County. It went down a little bit up. It always go up and down, but you guys, the more you wait, the more higher the medium home prices will continue to rise. So it's up to you if you want to continue to wait, regardless if the interest rate is up or down. So the next thing I want to let you guys know how many new listings as of last month. We are up 8.6% with a 3,260 total new listings. So homes are definitely up there. More new homes are up on the market. And then month supply. So this is good. This is really healthy. So we have about three months left for home supply. Next thing I want to go over is how many of those new listings are active. So 6,431 are active, and how many closed? So over 2,354 homes closed last month. That's a good chunk, but we're still negative 6.4%. So, you know, but it is healthy. If you guys look at, here's the MLS. Here's, Riverside County. It's pretty much like a straight line. So nothing crazy as of last year. But if we go 5 years, you can see it's going to go up and down, up and down. But, people are still buying homes. So if you've been sitting and waiting and waiting and waiting since, last year, there's not much crazy has changed. Yes, in the entire MLS shows that there's been volatile big time, but in Riverside County, not much has changed. So other one that I like to show is days on market. So the average days on market right now to sell your home. I mean, depending on who you work with and the marketing and all that, I mean, it can go faster depending on the condition of the home and all that. But right now, we see an average of homes sitting on the market for at least 43 days as of last month. So um, it's very tight between the MLS and Riverside County. Looks like Riverside County, it takes a little longer than most of the homes on the MLS. So I hope that helped you guys out. I hope that was informative. If that was really informative for you guys, I would really appreciate it. It helps with my algorithm and to bring more people to my YouTube channel. Please hit the like button and also comment something below. Is this helping you guys? Is this something else you want to see in Riverside County as well? And also, if you want to be added to my email campaign, where I send all this out as well, all the information out, let me know below in the comment as well. I can private DM you and things like that. So hope you guys had a good day. Hope you guys had a good week, and I'll see you next week for the next market update. Have a good day, everyone. Take care.